I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, y'all. We gonna get it together.
There was a time my house was neat and so was I. I was thinner back then. I would go out with my friends, but somehow that's gone bye-bye. Now I look around, there are piles strewn about. Is this dirty or clean? I'm finding out what it means. This is not just a house, it's a depressionist. I don't know how I got here. Depressionist, I don't know where to start. Depressionist caving in on me. My life is simply falling apart. Depressionist.
It is time. After all of the success of the bedroom makeover, we are moving on to another cluttered, messy part of the house. And this is my hallway right outside of my bedroom. So a lot of this stuff is like clutter that accumulated during the renovation and the makeover of the bedroom. But that's not an excuse. It was cluttered before we started. Let's be honest, let's be real. I did want to just do a mental health check as well. I have not been doing okay. Just the state of the United States and like everything that's going on. People are mean outside. I'm sorry. Like everybody is so mean now. Nobody has compassion for anybody. And I really do think it's social media's fault because people are just assholes on social media and they think that it transfers to real life. So people are really outside walking around treating people like shit on purpose. And I am just too much of an empath for that kind of nonsense. It really boils my blood. This is why I stay in the house, because I know if somebody is mean to me outside for no reason, I'm going to jail. I'm gonna go to jail. So anyway, I haven't been doing really well. But today I wanted to force myself to start making progress. You know, it's almost February and I don't want another whole month to go by and us not make more progress in the house. I got back on YouTube so I could be held accountable to actually be doing things in my house. And my bedroom makes me feel amazing. Like I've been keeping it clean. I've been in there for 2 months now and it's still clean. You know, let's calm down, everybody, because I haven't even moved in for real. Like all of my clothes are in the guest room. My closet is still filled with tools and stuff that I use to renovate. Okay. I'm trying to, give myself some grace and be like, no, you've been keeping it clean. You've been doing your big one. It's clean. It smells good. Like you've been doing it. So it's time for me to start feeling that way about other parts of the home. A lot of y'all did say that one of the guest rooms should be next. A couple of y'all said the hallway should be next. A couple of y'all said the bathroom. One person brought up the closet that I forgot I even had to move back into. We're not gonna talk about that. But when I was thinking about, one of the guest rooms, I don't think I could even move stuff out of one of these guest rooms. There's nowhere for things to go. I just want to have like another place in my home that is treating me with kindness. Right now, this right here is beating my ass mentally every time I come down the stairs. I saw Caroline Winkler's latest video, and she set a timer for an hour. And she was like, that's all I have the energy to do today. That's all I'm gonna do. And then she did like several different rooms. Like she did the dishes. She folded the clean laundry. She put away the dirty laundry. You know, she started washing the dirty laundry. She cleaned out under the bed. She put stuff in donate pile. Like she did all of this in an hour. Y'all know I'm slow. I don't have that kind of wherewithal, okay, or that kind of tenacity, gumption, energy. Come on, thesaurus. We could keep going on this. Willpower. Anyway, I want to give up already. I haven't even started. So this is where we are. Guys, there's just like, I feel like on one hand, I feel empowered, like, oh, yay. Like we already did the bedroom. Like we know it's possible. We know we can do it. At the same time, no, it doesn't seem possible. Again, it really doesn't seem possible. Actually, I think I might start over here because I don't even go down near that much anymore. So I can avert my eyes from right here, but coming down the stairs, like this is atrocious. So I think I'm going to start over here and try to just figure out what's going on. I'm gonna set a 20-minute timer. And we're gonna do what we can do. Okay? And I'm sorry I'm such a Debbie Downer. I know y'all probably come here for entertainment, but unfortunately, I'm a real person who is affected by real things. So this is who y'all are getting today. I'm so sorry. So I think what I want to do is start with all the garbage. I remember last time we was doing the bedroom. Some of y'all was like, start with the garbage, get a garbage bag and just put everything that's garbage, get that out of the picture. So we're going to do that. I'm not even going to set my timer until I go get my garbage bag. Oh, wait, it's the garbage bag right here. Period. Perks of having a messy home. Shit everywhere. Okay, we're going to set our timer for 20 minutes. All the time. I love you, Liberian girl. Y'all know it? All the time. I love you, Liberian girl. Okay, y'all. I used to be big into like wooden things that say things on them, but I'm not anymore. I'm still into wooden things. I like wood. It's like curtain hooks. Oh, little cabinet. Ooh, I wonder, can I put that on my closet? These little pulls. I still need some pulls on my closet. Whoa, he a real big stepper. About to make it rain, you might need an umbrella. Whoa. Is the time up yet? God damn. I went to a thrift store and they gave me an Aritzia bag. And I was like, I walked out of there with my $1 deck of cards. I was like, I never been to Aritzia. I just figured it was some shit I couldn't fit. So, is the time up? My God. Okay, 3 minutes. That's almost up, right? This was a fail. Maybe I'm not mentally prepared. I feel like I could do this though. Like we did a whole bedroom by ourselves. We could do this. I don't want to do this again. But we gotta do this. We're gonna do it. We gotta get to the decorating phase faster so that we could be excited. This part isn't exciting. Decorating is exciting. Oh, stop everything. Stop. Drop. Shut them down. Get in the bed. Oh, no. We ain't doing no more. Uh, 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 uh. Yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna put this outside. I'll put the garbage out there, and I'm gonna try those little pulls on my closet door, and that's it. I just don't have it, guys. I don't have it in my spirit, in my Shonda rhymes. You know what I mean? I just don't have it. So maybe we'll try again tomorrow or whenever. Maybe I can do like 20 minutes a day. Maybe that'll add up to something. I did what I could with what I got. All right. Just want to remind you guys, if you have depression, you are not alone. We're all in this together. If you are struggling and feeling like you have thoughts or ideas about not wanting to be here anymore, go ahead and dial 988 and let them get you right on together. Y'all come back next week. Maybe I'll go live on one of these, because remember how we used to do the live declutter sessions, and y'all would help me like, no, throw that away, throw this away, keep that, da-da-da. So maybe I need to do that again now that we're in the hallway. That would be great. I'll post it in the community tab if I plan on going live so that y'all can know ahead of time. Thank y'all so much for sticking with me through this journey. Just continue to stay tuned, because even I don't know what is coming up next. But in order to stay tuned, you have to what? Stay here. That's right. Do what you got to do. I'll see you next week. Bye. And so now I'm keeping that, because I'm like, I could use it for something else. I don't know what I'm going to need it for. You never know when you're going to need some. Throw all of this shit away. But I can't. But you have to. But I can't. It amazes me how hard people come down the stairs. Just wanted to show y'all how those pulls look. I did attach them. They all right. It's not really the look I was going for, but I've been operating with no pulls, so they'll do for now.